So, YouTubers, thank you to my 165 subscribers. I'm not sure if you're all into Aprilias, or I think the majority of you are MZers. But anyway, today it's a cold Saturday in the UK, and a little while ago I managed to purchase some air inlets, air horns, whatever you call them, from a Tuono. They were multicoloured, brown and black, been knocked about a bit. So last few winter months I've been prepping them, and I painted them a satin black, which I think, if you look at the tank, which is original Aprilia paint, but not the little aftermarket fairing, is a pretty good match. So I've been painting them, and bought some RSV milli transfers. I made the sponge gasket myself, and I don't know if you can see it in there. Yes, you can. I've got the mesh that stops the bumblebees, or splats the bumblebees as they go in, or stops the mice going in the winter time, and fitted them. So I'm really quite impressed with my workmanship, especially the paint work with a rattle can in the garage in the winter time with a little heater blowing on it. So that's that side, and I'm going to attempt to show you this side as well, which is against the wall, which is a bit awkward, but I think the graphics actually go really well with the original red from the Aprilia. And so now, obviously, that finishes the last thing I had to do on my Belgian project bike. So I think it looked pretty good actually now. Yeah, it just the final thing. And I just thought I would show you guys, see what you think. I doubt it makes any difference to the airflow going into the airbox, because I've ridden it for 2 years without these, because they've been really hard to find, but I'll find out in the spring. Yeah, that's it really. The bikes, well, all the Aprilias are kind of hibernated now. They've had the fuel sucked out the tanks while they're running until they stall, stop the tank swelling. I always do this to let them vent as well, and I also give them a good oil change, run them up to temperature numerous times, and leave them with the battery on and optimate. Hopefully all's well next year. I've not had a problem doing it that way so far, but anyway, I'm talking about other stuff. Just wanted to share the horns with you Aprilia people out there. And thanks again to my subscribers. I didn't think I'd get so many. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.